How to change your default SMS messaging receiving app on your Tecno Spark phone with Android and hios software. To find these settings and change to another default SMS app, use the quick access like this here and tap on the settings icon to the top right, this one here. Now, once you are here in this section here, go ahead and scroll down until you see App Management. As you enter here, you're gonna look for Default Apps. And once you're in the Default Apps area, you're gonna look for SMS app, which is the last option. And as you enter here, you will probably just see only one if this is your first time doing this. But if you want to have more different messages apps show up here, you can go into the Play Store and search for Messages app and install the free ones, and those that are compatible will show up here. And then you can simply just switch to it. And some of them may ask you to restart your phone. Go ahead and do that. And you can always change these at any given time, like and sub.